The input mask is created. Now all you need to do is paste the main program code. You'll receive the main code as a Word file via email. The contact email address can be found in the video description. In the VBA editor, double-click the user form 1 element, then select the entire contents of the editor using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+A and delete it. In the Word file, select all the content using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+A, copy it and paste the copied content into the VBA editor. Now this program can create and edit a database directly from the input mask. The search engine in the input mask searches the entire database for the entered search query and produces a list of all records that contain that search query. The third sheet should be hidden. The program is complete.